Welcome back to the Sabo Academy. Today we're going to talk about welding using a robotized workstation and electrical spot welding. Firstly, let's look at how welding is done on a robotized workstation. On a robotized workstation, the welding process is of the MAG type, that is, with the shielding gas on. The pieces to be welded together are these: eyelet tube and fitting. They are welded like so, and the weld will run all the way around. The final result is this: eyelet tube, weld running all the way around. This piece, of course, is joined to the chromium plated tube, and this is the result. The robot arm simulates the movements made by a manual welder and ensures perfect repeatability of the process on welded semi-finished items. Moreover, the mechanical system gives the user total control over each individual piece and consequently ensures each completed piece is of the highest quality. Let's now take a look at electrical spot welding. This is an autogenous pressure welding procedure that uses the high temperatures generated by the Joule effect as a heat source. This is a circular part that is placed inside the shock absorber. 4 spot welds are made. The final result is as so, where the spot welds can be seen. The two elements are pressed against each other by water-cooled copper electrodes. Ohmic resistance in the contact zone causes, when the electrical current passes through, both materials to melt. The final result of this procedure is that the two materials are securely joined together. At Sabo, we chose this procedure as it is fast and ensures the two components are welded together securely. Our quality control facility periodically checks that welds are compliant with established technical specifications and that they are free from any defects. Quality is a top priority at our group, as our mission is to supply a final product that meets customer expectations in full.